Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple but very awesome dishcloth for either the kid at home that loves creepers or for yourself. So you just need a crochet hook to get started. 4mm is what I'm using, green and black yarn, a sewing needle, and some scissors. So let's get started. Okay, so you're going to start off with a chain of 21 for your dishcloth with the green yarn. And we'll just skip ahead here. Okay, now you're going to grab the chain. You're going to do one more loop. And then you're going to go from the second, from the hook where your thumb is. And you're going to do a half double crochet across the chain. Just do a couple and then we're going to skip ahead to the end of that row. Okay, so now that we're in the last stitch, we're going to do a slip stitch and turn around. And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to do a half double crochet in each one across. And you're going to need 15 rows in total. I'm going to jump ahead to the end of the dishcloth after this row. See, so 15 just like that. Okay, so you're at the end of your dishcloth, 15 rows. You're gonna fasten it off, or sorry, not fasten it off, but you're gonna do a slip stitch and you want to make a nice edge around it. So you're gonna do just a single crochet around the edge. Go as close to the edge as you can with your crochet hook and go all the way around. Okay, so now that you're at the corner, you're going to do a slip stitch and then do another single crochet in the same stitch. And then you can keep going with the same single crochet across. And do that at every corner. Okay, now that you're done, you can cut the yarn and you can fasten that off. You're going to just sew that and your square is ready. Now it's on to the face. There we go, awesome job. Here we go, making eyeball number 1. You're going to chain 5. And grab the chain, make another loop, and then go from the second from the hook where your thumb is and do a half double crochet in that stitch, and then all the way across the chain. So you'll have 5 half double crochets in total. You're going to want 4 rows altogether. Okay, so slip stitch and then turn around. You're going to do another 5 half double crochets across. You just need 2 more rows after that, so we'll skip to the end in just a few seconds. we go, so just do that 2 more times. Here's the finished eyeball, so you just cut enough so you can sew that onto your dishcloth after. And then you can tie that off. And there's 1, and there's 2. We're going to start with the middle piece, so you're going to chain 7. Then grab the chain and you can do another loop and then go in from the second stitch from the hook where your thumb was, and you're going to do a half double crochet all the way across. I'm just going to do a few stitches to show, and then we'll jump to the end of the square. You're going to need 5 rows of 7 in total. And if I haven't mentioned already, I'm using cotton yarn. I don't think I brought that up. I apologize. Okay, so now that you're done the 5 rows, you can cut enough off so that you have enough to sew that onto your dishcloth after, and then tie it off. And then we'll move on to the 2 side pieces of the mouse. Okay, so this is the first one. You're going to chain 3, and then you're just going to grab the chain, do another loop, and then go in from the second stitch again from the hook there, and then do a half double crochet, and then half double crochet in the other 2 stitches. So you have 3 in total. You're going to want 6 rows of 3 altogether. So just turn around and keep going. And here we go. We're ready to cut and tie it off and move on to the second one. We're almost ready to sew everything together. And here's 2 of them. Alright, we're gonna get ready to sew the eyes on first. So you want to put that little piece of yarn in the back so that it's not in the way. since it's so short, I'm just gonna put the needle through first and then thread it. Okay, so now you're going to want to position the eyeball after threading your needle, so we're going to get ready to do that first, and then you can sew it right on. Now you also don't want to go through the back of your dishcloth when you're sewing your pieces on so that you don't see them. So be careful when you're sewing your pieces on, please, or you will end up seeing them through the back. See, here we are. Can't see it. Perfect. You just keep going. And here we are. One is on. Looking good. And 2. And 3. 4. Alright, and we're done. Very good job, guys. Thanks for watching my video, and please keep an eye out for the next one. See you later. Bye!